Hello everyone, welcome to Dongtai Living Room. We are professional manufacturer for diesel injection pump test bench, commercial test bench, and injector spare parts and pump spare parts, and injector tools. Today we will show you our wholesale original Delphi commercial injector.
Now let us introduce the Delphi commercial injector 2822 9873 for heavy care, 33800 710. This is original. Next, let us introduce the injector common rail repair case 7135573. Include the nozzle and valve. The nozzle is OEM number is G374. The valve OEM number is 9308-625C and 2852-5582. That's all these two products, injector and common rail repair case.
Okay, we will offer high quality and best price for you. We also have our own brand. This plunger, delivery valve, and commercial nozzle, and control valve, and injector. For this injector, we can also provide made in China. It's best price. We also have many Delphi original products. If you need, please contact us. This is our website and email. Okay, thanks for watching.